Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you tag everyone in a WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. At the very first, just simply open your WhatsApp application. Then open the group where you would like to tag everybody. But before going into these steps, you cannot actually tag everybody at the same time from WhatsApp, like directly. Like in Messenger, you can tag everyone by writing everyone and it will tag everybody in there. But in WhatsApp, it's not the case. In WhatsApp, what you have to do is type at the rate and after that mention name of everyone and repeat the same process after the another name, and you have to repeat it until you tag everyone into your messenger and send it. This way you can tag everybody into your WhatsApp, or you can add a third party bot into your WhatsApp group which will allow you to tag everybody in a single message or single word. This way you can easily tag everyone into your WhatsApp group. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.